Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, I have already unboxed all the parts of a computer chair, a gaming chair, an office chair that needs to be assembled. I ordered this computer chair online and it was shipped in a box and it weighed 33 pounds. And this is the large box up here. Again, it is the Neo chair. It's black. Padded chair with a padded back, a padded seat, and it is on wheels, and it can tilt and it can go up and down. And I wanted to show you the parts which must be assembled. So you need to know how to assemble an office chair. Now, these are the parts that come in the office chair. So you have the back, the seat, the padded armrest. You have the controller mechanism, the gas lift, the base, and then the central base, and then the wheels, and again the back, the seat, and the armrest. So this is the assemble instructions. It comes with it, and then there's how to assemble it on the back. It comes with the parts and the tool. So it comes with the spare parts, tilting bolt, base bolt, the Allen key, the bolt caps to hide the bolts, and the armrest. So here is what comes in the box. The padded seat, which the base will go attached to the bottom, the assembly there. This is the back padded seat. This is faux leather, very durable faux leather. This is the base that attaches on the bottom of the seat, and then it has the chair lift, which can go up and down. Then you have the padded armrest. They have the word right and left written on them. Well, they have an R and an L on each one to let you know which one is left and which one is right. Then you have another piece here in the center, which I put together a little bit, and that is the central base. So the central base here, these pieces will assemble onto there all the way around it. So you've got 5 of those. One, and then another one will go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then your wheels, or the caster wheels, which it comes with, will go in all these holes along the wheel assembly there. And then you have the gas chamber. I guess that's what they call it. What they call this thing? It is the gas lift, not the gas chamber. And so these again are the parts. So you get the assembly instructions and all the items that come in the box. You get your bolts and your tool. You get the seat and the back, 2 armrests, a base, and then a central base with the poles that go out for the legs. And then you get the caster wheels and then the gas lift. So these are the pieces that you have to put together when you buy an office chair and it comes in the mail. So I hope this was a helpful video, and I'll have to put this video up on YouTube, and I will link at the end of this video another video of me unboxing this video as well. Thank you for watching.